Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you the client area. Go to the website and you want to log in with the username and password that's already been provided. You're going to see the server here. So you want to click here, go to the server, and then you'll see it active. And then you want to go to configurable options. Hold on. Okay, here we go. It shows you all under server information. It shows you all the options, and here you can set up the control panel. So this feature is there. I don't know if they understood what you were talking about, but you can do it from there. And you should be able to set up what you need. Any questions, give me a call. I'm going to send this video to you. Thanks.